Hello and welcome. Today topic is chemical safety. Working with chemicals can be dangerous, but with the right precautions you can minimize the risk. Let's explore how to handle chemicals safely. First, always identify hazardous chemical by checking their labels and safety data sheets (SDS). These documents provide vital information about the chemicals, property, hazards, and safety measures. When handling chemicals, always wear appropriate personal protective equipment such as gloves, goggles, and aprons. Make sure your PPE is suitable for the specific chemical you are using. Proper storage is crucial to prevent accident. Store chemicals in their original containers and the designated well-ventilated area. Keep chemicals separated to avoid dangerous reactions. In case of spill, follow emergency procedure and outline in the SDS. These typical includes containing this spill, cleaning it up safely, and disposing of the waste properly. Always have a spill kits readily available and ensure everyone knows how to use them. Regular training and updates on chemical safety protocols are essential. Make sure all workers understand risk and know how to handle chemicals safely. In conclusion, chemical safety is about being informed, prepared, and vigilant. By following these guidelines, you can protect yourself and your colleagues from chemical hazards. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more safety tips. Stay safe and handle chemicals carefully.